In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subscriber in Xero. If you're looking to transfer the responsibility of managing your Xero subscription to someone else, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can make this transition smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Xero website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will help streamline the process. Once you're on the Xero homepage, take a moment to navigate to your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, you'll want to select the Subscription and Billing option from this menu. This is where you can view and manage your current subscription details. Once you're in the Subscription and Billing section, look for an option that says Manage Subscriptions. This is your go-to place for handling any changes related to your subscription plan. Now focus your attention on a small cluster of 3 dots, which you should notice somewhere within the subscription details. These dots typically indicate more options or settings you can adjust. When you click on the 3 dots, a new menu should appear, providing you with additional actions to choose from. In the menu that appears, there'll be an option labeled Request Transfer. Selecting this option will take you to the next step, where the actual process of inviting someone else to take over the subscription begins. You'll be able to pass the management torch to a new subscriber. At this stage, you will need to invite the new person who will be taking over the subscription. To do this, you'll be prompted to enter some important details. Make sure you have at hand the first and last name of the individual you're inviting, as well as their email address. Double-check these entries to ensure there are no errors, as this information is critical for the transfer process to proceed without hitches. Once you've entered all the required information, take a moment to review everything, and when you're ready, click on Request Transfer. By doing so, an invitation will be sent to the new subscriber, along with all the information they need to accept and take over the subscription management from you. And there you have it. You've successfully taken the necessary steps to change the subscriber in Xero. By following these instructions, you'll ensure a seamless and effective transfer of responsibility. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore Xero's help resources or reach out to their customer support for more detailed assistance.